everyone. Yeah, 7 Mobile 7-Eleven. Walking refrigerator. Yeah. You can see that. It's actually pretty nice. Sweet, soft cream, pork, drink. Yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next episode. Bye.